Get ready for a quick and effective total body stretch designed to boost your energy, increase flexibility, improve mobility, and reduce stress. Stick around until the end where I share with you my favorite stress buster you can do in under 5 minutes. So go ahead, get comfy, grab your chair, and let's dive into this revitalizing routine together. Namaste. Let's begin our practice for today, moving into a lateral stretch variation. Place your left hand to the chair for support. Reach your right arm up and overhead and lower. Continue flowing with this movement, keeping the weight even in your hips, lifting up and out of both sides of your waist, feeling a gentle stretch through your right side body. Release and repeat on the opposite side. Place your right hand to the chair for support. Reach your left arm up and overhead and lower. Continue flowing with this movement, breathing wide into your left side body. Release and return to center. Moving into a one-legged seated forward bend variation. Extend your right leg forward, flexing through your right heel. Place your hands to your left thigh for support. Inhale, lengthen your spine. Exhale, fold forward out over your legs, feeling your mind calm, stretching through your back body. Stay connected to your breath as you lift your torso to upright and release, repeating on the opposite side. Extend your left leg forward, flexing through your left heel. Place your hands to your right thigh for support. Inhale, lengthen your spine. Exhale, fold forward out over your legs, keeping your core engaged and your spine long. Release and return to center, moving into a reverse plank position variation. Sitting tall, place your hands to the seat of your chair behind you and lift your heart, opening across your front body. Continue here or extend both your legs forward, rooting down through your feet, gently pressing your shoulder blades into your back torso, supporting the lift of your chest for a mild back bend, lengthening through your spine and arms, drawing your shoulders down away from your ears, feeling your neck long. Release and step your feet back to center, moving into a cat-cow stretch variation. With your hands to the seat of your chair, inhale, lift through your heart. Exhale, sweep your arms forward, rounding your spine, chin towards your chest. Continue wrapping this movement around your breath. With each inhale, hands to the seat of your chair, lifting through your heart, tilting your pelvis forward lightly, drawing your shoulder blades down your back, creating a mild back bend. And with each exhale, sweep your arms forward, rounding your spine, lengthening your tailbone under slightly, coiling your navel back, drawing your chin towards your chest, feeling a gentle stretch through your back body. Release and return to center, moving into cactus arms. Inhale, open your arms wide, shoulder height. Exhale, forearms to press. As you open your palms to the sky, flexing through your hands. Continue wrapping this movement around your breath, feeling a gentle stretch through your chest, shoulders, arms, wrists, and hands. Release and return to center. Moving into a forward bend variation. Extend both your legs forward, rooting down through your feet. Inhale, sweep your arms overhead, lengthening your spine. Exhale, hands to thighs, gliding your hands down your legs, gently folding forward. Continue wrapping this movement around your breath. With each inhale, lift your torso to upright, arms sweep overhead. And with each exhale, hands to thighs, gently folding forward, keeping your core engaged, feeling a gentle stretch through your back body. Release and return to center. Sitting tall, draw your right knee in towards your chest, adding ankle rotations. Feel the circulation flowing through the top of your foot, sole, and ankle as you switch directions. Release and repeat on the opposite side. Draw your left knee in towards your chest, adding ankle rotations. Continue sitting tall as you switch directions, gradually increasing your range of motion. Release and return to center. Sitting tall, clasp your hands beneath your chair. Draw your right knee in towards your chest and extend, flexing through your heel. Continue with this movement, sitting tall, lightly lifting through your lower belly, strengthening and toning through your hip flexors, core, and quadriceps, while stretching through your hamstrings, calf muscles, and foot. Release and repeat on the opposite side. Alternate, drawing your left knee in towards your chest and extending, pressing out through your heel. Continue with this movement, increasing mobility and flexibility while improving circulation. Release and return to center. Moving into a cat-cow stretch variation. Inhale, open your arms wide, lifting through your heart. Exhale, sweep your arms forward, rounding your spine, chin towards your chest. Continue wrapping this energizing movement around your breath. With each inhale, open your arms wide, lifting through your heart, tilting your pelvis forward lightly, drawing your shoulder blades down your back, creating a mild back bend. And with each exhale, sweep your arms forward, rounding your spine, lengthening your tailbone under slightly, coiling your navel back, drawing your chin towards your chest, feeling a gentle stretch through your back body. Release and return to center. Moving into one more seated twist variation. Inhale, reach your arms overhead, lengthening your spine. Exhale, rotate your torso to the right, reaching your left hand to your right leg, placing your right hand behind you for support, gently rotating from your navel, ribs, and chest. Unwind and repeat on the opposite side. Inhale, reach your arms overhead, lengthening your spine. Exhale, rotate your torso to the left, reaching your right hand to your left leg, placing your left hand behind you for support, allowing this twisting action to provide a gentle massage for your spine and belly organs. Release and return to center, closing our practice for today, placing your hands in prayer position, allowing a moment to honor yourself. Namaste. Thank you for joining me for this accessible yoga practice. And now for my favorite stress-busting method, it's alternate nostril breathing. This breathing technique is a great way to help improve your sleep, release tension, and calm your nervous system. Check out the video below and give it a go. And remember your happy yoga smile. Namaste.
Now that was good.
To purchase a copy of Happy Yoga with Sarah Starr on DVD, visit happyyoga.tv. And to gain access to over 100 episodes of Happy Yoga with Sarah Starr, visit happyyogaondemand.com.